Hey you guys, so we're doing an unboxing today on my channel, and today's unboxing is going to be an Allure Beauty box unboxing for the month of June, which is very exciting because they're actually collaborating with Kat Von D. Now, I know that I've never done an Allure Beauty box. This was actually sent to me, but I don't even know if they know that I'm going to be doing a unboxing on my channel. I just saw that it was a Kat Von D / Allure exclusive, and I was like, I'm doing an unboxing because it's going to be awesome. So I did do a little bit of research on the box just to see what it was like. Apparently the box retails for $15 a month, and everything is always valued obviously more than that purchase price, but I think it's a good in between. I've seen some of their past boxes and it looked pretty awesome. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get diving into this box. If you guys want to know all about Allure, I'm going to go ahead and have everything linked in description box below, like I always do for my unboxings. Otherwise, let's see what's inside this month's box. Once you open its side, you are going to get this nice card. Inside the card will have everything that's going to be inside the box. It lets you know what it's retail for, where you can get it, and all that good stuff. But it says that there's an exclusive promo code inside, which I will link down below for you guys. But apparently, if you guys shop at Kat Von D Beauty, you guys can get 2 free Everlasting liquid lipsticks when you spend $50. So anyways, I'll have it linked down below if you guys are Kat Von D fans and you guys want to support her and maybe buy some stuff that you guys have been needing. I'll go ahead and have it linked down below. The very first thing I have in here is this big old blue tube. This is by Olay Henriksen, and this is the Transforming Walnut Scrub. This is walnut powder and ginseng extract. All right, so the next thing I have in here is, this here is the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner. Yes. I actually don't own any of her lip liners. I have a lot of other things from her, but I have never tried her lip liners before. And of course, it is in the shade Lolita. I don't know about you guys, but I have Lolita 1 and Lolita 2. I'm still a fan of Lolita, but oh, that's nice. That's nice. Have you guys tried Kat Von D lip liners? Like, am I missing out? I need to know, because if I am, I'll definitely pick up more, but this is like perfect. The next thing I have in my box is a sample size of the tattoo liner. I'm not going to open this because I actually have a full-size one that's already open, and I think I own one of these already, but these are amazing. I absolutely love tattoo liners. If you guys are looking for a liquid liner that is very user-friendly and it's going to give you like precision and it's just going to be easy to work with, I would definitely try that one out. The next thing we have in here is the Kat Von D Studded Kiss. Oh, this is cute. This has got to be a sample size, but it's so freaking cute. This is in Double Dare, and I own, I think, 2 or 3 of her lipsticks. The formula is really nice. I have more vibrant shades. I thought that this was going to be more of a red tone, because if you guys look at the packaging, you guys can see that it's like kind of like this deep red, which is fine, but it's not, and I love it even more. I actually think if you paired the Lolita with this lipstick, you would get a really, really pretty combo. So I'm actually going to try that out together and see how it works. Oh my god. Do you guys see that? It's a mirror. How awesome is that? It says Kat Von D. It's got her logo on the back side. Oh my god, you guys. I love this box, but I love Kat Von D stuff so much, so this is so awesome. Anyways, that is everything that we got inside this month's box. This is by Allure, if you guys are wondering again, and I will go ahead and link all that good stuff down below if you guys want to check it out, and if you guys want to try to snag one of these boxes. Let me know in the comments below if you guys get Allure and your thoughts on the beauty box. Otherwise, make sure to subscribe before you guys head out, and if you're already subscribed, go ahead and just hit that notification bell. That will notify you guys every time I throw up a video, and you guys can be like, hey, Steph's there. Let's go see what's going on. So anyways, thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.